In this quick guide, you'll learn how to edit Typeform with ease. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to edit your forms can help you make the most of this versatile tool for gathering information. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to typeform.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. This will allow you to access and make changes to your existing forms. If you're new to Typeform, signing up is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of all the forms you've created. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. It's designed to be intuitive, with all your forms displayed for easy access. The next step is to select the form you wish to edit. Simply browse through your list of forms and click on the one you'd like to modify. This will open the form in the editor where you can see its current structure and content. The editor is where all the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and refine your form to better suit your needs. Now that you're in the editor, you can make a variety of changes. You might want to start by reviewing the questions you already have. Perhaps you need to add new questions or adjust existing ones to better capture the information you're seeking. With Typeform, you have a range of question types to choose from, including multiple choice, short text, and more. Simply drag and drop the question types you need into your form. As you make changes, keep an eye on the flow of your form. Typeform is known for its conversational style, so it's important to ensure that your questions follow a logical sequence. This not only improves the user experience, but also increases the likelihood of receiving complete and accurate responses. While editing, consider customizing the design of your form to align with your brand or personal style. Typeform offers various themes and customization options, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, and even add images or videos. These visual elements can make your form more engaging and encourage higher response rates. After you've made your edits, it's a good idea to preview your form. This lets you see how it will appear to respondents and gives you a chance to test any interactive elements. If you spot any issues or areas for improvement, you can easily go back to the editor to make further adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save your changes. Typeform typically auto-saves your progress, but it's always a good practice to ensure everything is saved correctly before exiting the editor. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Typeform. Whether you're conducting surveys, collecting feedback, or gathering data for research, these skills will help you create forms that are both functional and visually appealing. Remember, the key to a great Typeform is a combination of thoughtful questions and a user-friendly design. Thanks for watching and happy form editing.